I just got off the phone with a mortgage broker in Canada, and I'm a mortgage broker here in Texas, but I had a client that is relocating from Canada, and they were asking me about a few different options, and I came across this page, so I was just curious on some different options that they had that he had because he's working with the bank. But what I thought was interesting, because we started to compare business, like how's it going, what keeps you busy, and he said that they are super busy with renewals. And so I'm thinking refinances in my head, and he proceeded to tell me that when they do a loan, and this is new to me, so if you already know, then, but that when they do a loan, it is fixed for like a 1 to 5 year term, but it's amortized over 30 years. And then they're keeping up with their clients. And in that period where, the 1 to 5 years, once that's expired, then they're talking again about renewals, which is basically like redoing the loan. Either way, it's amortized over 30 years or whatever amount of years. So that payment isn't necessarily spread out over the 1 to 5 year term. But it kind of reminded me of our ARMs or adjustable rate mortgages, because we have adjustable rate mortgages. I've done one with as little as a 6-month fixed rate with as long as a 10-year fixed rate. They're amortized over 30 years, and they are fixed for whatever amount of time suits you between, like I said, I've done 6 months, there's 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, and 10 years. And they are actually convenient for the right client, especially someone who is a big earner or maybe earns their money in chunks, or is sort of on a tier system where year maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 they're getting big increases. Maybe relocation client, someone who moves around a lot. So if you are curious on an adjustable rate mortgage, let me know. Honestly, the last time I did one was in February. It was great for my client because it was a jumbo loan, and they are going to be selling one of their properties in the next 6 to 12 months, and they're going to have another chunk of money to combine with the different loans. So it was perfect for them. Like I said, it depends on your situation. So if you're buying a house this year and you're just curious in general, please send me a message and let's have a conversation.